What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, and in today's video we're going to talk about this new airdrop. And if you guys want to be up to date on all the airdrops, I have an airdrop playlist. You guys can also join my Patreon for $8 a month. But I'm telling you guys, do not miss out on these airdrops. They can be very lucrative in the future. And this one is another under the radar one. I believe I'm like one of the few videos on YouTube talking about this airdrop, because I only found one video talking about this airdrop, which is super early. So this is the Bytes airdrop. It's called Bytes, and basically what this project is about, they have an app that's on iOS and Android, and they're basically a news app regarding crypto or whatever in the markets. And you the way that you get this airdrop, guys, I'm going to show you guys here step by step. But first, you guys want to click on my referral code, because the only way you can unlock this is by referral. So click on my referral code, put in the code that that I put down below so you guys can help me, and you'll be able to earn on this airdrop. But basically, this is how you earn. Okay, so after you unlock, okay, all you do is you click on the link, unlock it, and then you either connect it with your Google account, Twitter. I think those are the two ways, Google or Twitter. Okay, so then after you connect it, the ways to earn more bytes, in my opinion, the easiest way is by sharing your articles on Twitter. So you get like a certain amount of bytes, the token, which is not officially out yet, to airdrop, by sharing articles on Twitter. Now, what I would do is, like, I would have a second. If you don't want to share on your main Twitter account, I would create a second account or do it on your second account. But you earn, by sharing all the articles, and I'm going to show you guys here how to do it. Okay. And then they also have weekly quests, but you'll also earn by yeah, right here on the weekly quest, it tells you right here how you can earn, and one of them is simple as just enabling the app notification. So after you download the app, you just enable the notification and you get like 10 bytes, I believe. Okay, and then there's other quests here that are weekly, so you got like, you're getting timed here. But this is great because let's say right here you want to if you share 5 articles this week, you get 5 extra bytes. You see what I'm saying? So I'm telling you guys, this is this is definitely a great airdrop to be farming, especially with these these weekly quests right here. But so yeah, after you make your wallet, you don't make your wallet, but you sign up, you connect everything, you're gonna get a wallet right here on the right, and it tells you how much bytes you have. And there's a second token, but this is the main one right here, bytes. And then to basically, so this is what you do. You go right here to the home page, okay, or yeah, so these are the articles. So this is like a news app, a news website, a news app, and all you do, you find one right here that you find interesting, right? Let's say this one right here. Okay, this one is pretty interesting, you could like it. But you go right here, you click on Twitter. So this is what you do. You click on Twitter, you see how it says right here, earn Twitter 3 out of 10. So you're gonna earn 3 bytes by sharing this on Twitter. So you click on Twitter, but keep this tab open, okay? Make sure you keep that tab open, and then all you do is you post it, just like I did right there. You see that? Then you click on it, and then you copy the URL. After you copy the URL, you paste it right there, and then boom, it verifies. And then right here it should say when successful. Now the thing is, it might not be in your wallet. Like, see right there, it's still not on my wallet, so it might take like a couple seconds or a minute. You just gotta refresh. But after you do that, you get the certain amount of bytes right there. And like I said, this is an airdrop. This is not official coin yet. This is a part of an airdrop, okay? Which is great, because like for these airdrop projects, you want to see a point system or something like this, because it basically guarantees the fact that they're gonna have an airdrop in the future. I mean, they even say it right here, airdrop. So this is a guarantee of airdrop. So the best ways to farm this airdrop is, number one, going on here, sharing a lot of these articles on Twitter. Okay, just like I did right there, you share it on Twitter. And the second way is by going right here to the weekly deals right here. And the weekly quests or deals, like I said, it's just simple things like sharing 5 articles, you get 5 extra bytes. 10 articles this week, 10 bytes. Okay, so I'm telling you guys, this is again, you go right here, you can download it on Apple or Play Store. But I'm telling you guys, this is definitely one to be farming. I don't know how much this airdrop will be, right? But it is definitely guaranteed an airdrop. And who knows, right? Maybe it might be a lot, maybe it might not be a lot, but definitely something to look into. Again, I'm gonna leave my referral code in the description and pinned comment. All you do is you click on it. It's gonna bring you right here, and then you connect. It's gonna say unlock. You put in the referral code, it unlocks, and then you connect your Google or your Twitter. You see what I'm saying? And then after that, you're set to start farming um the bytes token. Just make sure you remember your login, okay? Just make sure you remember your login, and then you can start, sharing that on Twitter. And like I said, it doesn't have to be your main account. It could be like a second Twitter account, and you're sharing, verifying, and you're earning the bytes token. So again, guys, don't miss out on these airdrops. If you guys want to join my Patreon, it's only $8 a month. I also have the airdrop playlist. But again, definitely put the notification bell so you guys know when I go live, and also in my next airdrop step-by-step tutorial guide is. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.